Many people deploy Coolify and their applications on a single server. But if the server resources get maxed out, or if you want to deploy certain applications in a separate server, then you have to add new server to Coolify. In this video, I will show you how you can add new servers to Coolify. The process is same for self-hosted Coolify and Coolify Cloud. First, we have to add SSH key on Coolify dashboard and on our server. Go to Keys and Tokens page, then click on Add button. Here you can either create a new key or add your existing SSH private key. I don't have an SSH key, so I will create a new one here. I will give the key a name, then I will copy the public key and click on Continue button. Next, I will add the public key to the authorized keys file on my server. This allows Coolify to SSH into the server using the private key it has. Now on Coolify dashboard, go to Servers page and click on Add button. Here we can add a server in multiple ways. First way is to add a server using its IP address. Second way is to add server using a SSH domain using Cloudflare tunnels. Third way is to use Hetzner integration. For this video, I will use IP address of a server I already have. Give the server a name, then set the SSH port number, user account, and select the private key we added to Coolify earlier. Now our server is added to Coolify, but it's not validated. You can't use a server that is not validated by Coolify. So click on Validate button and wait for Coolify to validate. During validation, Coolify will install all necessary things like Docker, Coolify proxy, and so on. Each server you connect to Coolify will have their own reverse proxy. So if you deploy any application to this server, then you have to point your domain to this server IP address. You can configure Coolify proxy from here for this server. This only affects the proxy running on this server. When deploying new applications, Coolify will ask you to select a server to deploy your application. So from here you can choose which server you want to deploy applications to. That's it for this video. If you have made it to this far on the video, then leave a nice comment and check out our other videos in the channel. It helps the channel a lot. See you on the next video.